Hello everyone, have you tried this street food called Banchi Akaklo, Akbalikeklo? It's very delicious and very simple to make. And if you are someone who lived in Ghana or grew up in Ghana, you will testify to this street food snack. Very simple. So I'm here to share with you with 8 simple steps of how to make Banchi Akaklo. Step 1, I've pre-washed and peeled my cassava. Step 2, I'll go ahead and grate the cassava. And this is the local way of grating the cassava. You can also use the blender, but this local way of grating the cassava will make your Banchi Akaklo very crunchy and so nice. So I'll go ahead and grate it until it's all done. And we'll move on to the next step. And I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Next, with a clean cheesecloth, I'll go ahead and strain the excess water that is trapped in the cassava, and I'll throw the liquid away. We don't need it. But back in Ghana, our mothers used to use the cassava liquid, the starch. They boil it and then soak in our uniforms and dry it. It becomes so shiny. Yes, so let's go ahead. So I'm going to strain it until it's all done. And as you can see, I'm using all my strength I have in me to squeeze the liquid out, because it has to be very dry. Next, in another bowl, I'm going to spread the cassava flakes. So as you can see, it looks like gari. Yeah, so this is how it should be. Next, I'm going to cut and chop my onions, and I'm using cut-up onions. You can also use half depending on the amount of cassava you are using, but you don't really need much of the onions. Using too much onions will make the akaklo bitter, and you don't want that. So don't forget to use less onions. And as you can see, I'm using this Lifesaver vegetable chopper for this onion. It makes life in the kitchen so easier for me. Step 6, I'll be seasoning my cassava flakes with a pinch of salt, and to it I'll add the chopped onions and season it very well. And if you have enjoyed this recipe at this point, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe. It really helps me a lot. So I'll go ahead and mold the cassava flakes into smaller balls. And if you haven't ever tried this Banchi Akaklo before, just give it a try and come back in the comment section and let me know how it goes. It's so delicious, and the crunchiness, oh my god, you will love it. So next, I'll go ahead and fry the Banchi Akaklo for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's golden brown. And at this point, our Banchi Akaklo is done. Akbalikeklo, if I'm saying it right. It's looking so beautiful. The flavor from the onion, and of course I'm having it with coconuts, the hard coconuts. OMG, it's so nice and crunchy, very delicious. Hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and thank you all so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye. And also don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It really helps me a lot.